application, so I'm going to dismiss both counts without prejudice, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, you have a good rest of your day.
All right. Thank you.
You are welcome. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna wait to have you speak to the people who have trial dates. I'll get the other folks first, just in case. Remington Jones. Ms. Jones, go ahead and unmute your device.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room with Attorney Woodard to speak about your matter. Attorney Woodard, she has, it's an as charged, it's allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, so it's offered as charged.
You say this matter is set for trial?
No, this one is set for an arraignment on the bench warrant.
Okay.
Do you have the docket, or I'm sure probably.
I'm scrolling through my email to see whether it was sent to me. I don't believe it was.
She probably sent it Friday.
Okay. Wait a minute. You know what? You're right. You're right. I did see that. I did too. You can go ahead and put me in a breakout room now while I find this.
Am I going in the breakout room?
Yes, because your device, because of your device, it'll go in automatically.
Just your piece for help you.
She's in there.
Okay.
And Officer Wright, good morning.
You have to pay the briefing online.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Fine, how are you doing?
Okay.
The bond will be
You're here for
applied.
Flanagan, right?
Transfer you to the
Yes, ma'am.
financial.
Okay, he has half the docket, he has not checked in
The
yet,
bond will be applied.
Okay.
Till 9:05, 30 minutes after the trial date.
Okay.
on. You know, Mr. Jones, or Ms. Jones?
Yeah, I'm done, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna put you on Ms. Linda Jordan.
Okay.
Hers is allowing as well.
Did they make an offer?
I didn't hear you.
Did they make an offer for her?
No. Nope.
Okay.
Right. Ms. Jordan, go ahead and unmute your device.
This is an arraignment too, because I still haven't bothered to find that email.
I'll send it
Yep.
to you again, Judge.
She's gonna send it to you again. I guess it's an arraignment.
Thank you, sweetie. Appreciate it.
Ms. Jordan, go ahead and hit join on your screen. It should pop up now, and Attorney Woodard is gonna talk to you about your case.
Who's next up?
Lamont Jefferson.
Please don't tell me we got 3 for 3.
Huh?
Please don't tell me we got 3 for 3.
No, this is a little different. He has speeding 11 to 15 over, driving while license not valid, and no proof of insurance, and the offers for failure to display.
Gotcha.
Mr. Jefferson,
And now I got it. Tell Serena I got it. Thank you.
She can hear you.
Serena, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Mr. Jefferson, go ahead.
All right,
and
Mr. Jefferson, let's roll.
All right, and lastly, Mr. Tyree Jones.
Okay,
His offer is for careless driving with the remaining 3 counts to be dismissed.
before you send me in, has Officer Wafer appeared?
Nope.
Okay, I don't even need to go in there.
Okay, so we're just, at this point, I don't need to
Has
call.
Officer Frederick appeared?
Nope.
Okay,
I'll take care of Ms. Linda Jordan and Remington Jones, and then we can deal with those.
okay.
Ms. Jones, go ahead and unmute your device. Okay, we're on the record.
I'm
This is
sorry,
People
yes.
versus- We're on the record. This is the People versus Remington Jones, calling case 184-83747, 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Today's the day set for an arraignment on the bench for an appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cliff Woodard's on behalf of Ms. Jones, who is appearing by Zoom. Ms. Jones, please state your name for the record.
Remington Jones.
And Ms. Jones, do you consent to have this matter heard over Zoom rather than being physically in court?
Yes.
Your Honor, Ms. Jones has posted a bond. She has appeared. I'd ask that you recall the bench warrant and set aside the capias.
Okay, I'll do so.
Your Honor, if we could set this matter down for a bench trial, if possible, Ms. Jones would like to exercise her right over Zoom through a bench trial. Is that correct, Ms. Jones?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, Ms. Jones, can you state your full name and birthday for the record, since you don't have video?
Remington Jones, 22894.
Okay, and Ms. Jones, do you understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything for you to waive that right today?
No.
Okay, I will continue your not guilty plea and set your trial date for,
Since we're in the last week of February, did you want to move in March? Okay, let me double check your March, just very quick. We gotta go, so like maybe. Let's do March 4th, Judge.
okay. March 4th at 8:30 a.m., Ms. Jones.
Okay.
And you'll have an attorney present to speak on your trial date as well.
I'm sorry, say that again?
You'll have an attorney present, just like Attorney Woodard today. You'll have someone present to speak to you about what you should do on your trial day, okay?
Okay, so do I just call this number again?
Yes, exact same information, 8:30 a.m., just like you did today,
On the 4th, correct?
on March 4th, yes, 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay, Ms. Jordan, go ahead and unmute your device. We are on the record. This is the People versus Linda Jordan, calling case 484-685, 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Here.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cliff Woodard's on behalf of Ms. Jordan. I believe she probably had a warrant out too, Your Honor. I'd ask that you recall the warrant. Set aside the capias.
Okay, I will do so.
Thank you. Ms. Jordan, please state your name for the record.
Linda Jordan?
Ms. Jordan, do you consent to have this matter being heard over Zoom today rather than physically showing up in court?
Yes.
Thank you. Your Honor, after talking with Ms. Jordan, even though the people are not offering her any reduced plea, she wants to plead as charged to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Is that correct, Ms. Jordan?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm, the other right hand? There you go. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Woodard in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, Ms. Jordan, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to April 7th, 2019, around 3:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit. Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your 2010 Ford black vehicle?
Yes.
That's fine.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept your guilty plea, Ms. Jordan. And what I'm doing, because of the pandemic, I'm waiving fines and costs. So that's $240 you do not have to pay today. So you're all
Excuse
set,
me,
you
Your
don't have to.
Bond.
She had a bond?
I believe so. Is
How
that
much
correct?
was the bond?
How much did you pay, Ms.?
240. 240.
So I will apply your bond to any reinstatement fees or any fines and costs that you have outstanding, and the rest will be returned to you in the mail.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Thank you. What about my my suspension?
That is what, you have to take that up with the Secretary of State. So now that you've had this matter taken care of, you can move forward and get your license reinstated.
Okay, thank you.
Well, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Judge, Mr. Flanagan is present on the iPhone,
Okay,
and I was told I was going to receive an offer on this case.
okay. I'll get to you on one moment. Okay, Amont Jefferson. Calling case or cases SP 1081479. Count 1, speeding 11 to 15 over the posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance at SP 108153331. Driving while license not valid or improper license. Today's day set for a trial. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cliff Woodards on behalf of Mr. Jefferson, who is appearing by Zoom. Mr. Jefferson, please unmute yourself and state your name for the record.
Amont Jefferson.
Mr. Jefferson, do you consent to have this matter heard over Zoom today rather than being in court in person?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that the officer who wrote these tickets has not appeared in court today as the date and time set for a trial. Having been duly notified and failed to appear, I would move for this case to be dismissed.
Okay, the officer is Officer Frederick. Today is the date set for a trial. The time is 9:07. Cutoff time is 30 minutes after the start of trial time. So therefore, I will grant the motion and dismiss all 3 counts without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Jefferson.
Do I have any more before I can go get my license, Your Honor?
You're welcome. So you have to check that on your own. I'm only seeing what's before the docket, but you can go on 36th District Court and look up your name and see if there's anything else that you need to pay and take care of.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You have any other questions?
No,
Okay, have a good day.
you too.
Okay. Mr. Tyree Jones, go ahead and unmute your device. This is the People versus Tyree Jones calling case P1100314, no insurance, and P1099957, count 1, careless driving, count 2, tinted windows, count 3, failure to signal. Parents?
Good morning, Your Honor. Cliff Woodards on behalf of Mr. Jones, who is appearing in court via Zoom. Mr. Jones, please state your name for the record.
Tyree Jones.
Mr. Jones, do you consent to have these matters heard today over Zoom rather than be in court physically?
Yes.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing on these matters. The officer having been duly notified and failed to appear, I would move for this case to be dismissed.
That's Officer Wafer on all matters. The time is now 9:09, so I will grant that motion and dismiss without prejudice. Mr. Jones, your cases have been dismissed. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Well, it's more not a question. I was trying to file like a lawsuit or something because they violated all my rights.
Okay, well, you have to have an attorney do that. I can't give you legal advice on how to sue the police department.
Okay, no, I understand.
So go to michiganlegalhelp.org. They help out with a lot of people who have questions about things of that nature without an attorney.
Okay,
Just Google MichiganLegalHelp.org.
You said you.
okay.
Oh,
Anything
she
else?
has a call that way.
No, that's all. I
Okay.
appreciate it.
Have a good day.
All right, thank you. You too.
Excuse me, Judge, I'm sorry. Did you-
One moment, everybody. Right.
You probably got. You got me.
Okay, Attorney Woodard, you are done for the morning. All we have left is Mr. Flanagan, and he has his own counsel, so.
You know, this just took forever. You know, hopefully it won't take so long in the future.
We
You know,
just move so slow in here.
well, I tried to move it as fast as I can since I was a tad bit late, Judge. So
You were right on time, because we got everybody identified, ready to go. You came in and, hey.
knocked them out. Cool. I'll check and see if Roberta's got me back in there. Hopefully she does before the week is over. But if not, I'll see you all later. Thanks again, Serena.
Oh, you're welcome.
And tell Roberta to see you back in here.
You got it. No, it would work better if you told her. So
I know. So we had to come from both angles.
okay, talk to you in a minute.
All right, thank you.